Okay, welcome guys in the second session of Spring Boot. In last session, we talked about little bit how to create a Spring Boot project, right? Basically, how to create a Maven project and add dependency of Spring Boot and Hello World kind of clear.
Yes.
Today, I am copying my all the JSPs HTML from the JSP solid session, right? It's simple and images done. So today, first of all, I'm creating a one controller. Allow me.
Yes, sir.
How? You have to make a class, right? In this, what name you can give it? You can give any name. I'm giving login solid. Is okay with you? Login controller. A earlier you were writing login servlet. I'm writing login controller. And you want it should handle or it should act as a controller. Which notation we have to put on this? Controller.
Controller. Yeah.
Remember? Like this.
Again, I had a quick question.
Please.
So what's the difference in the front controller and the regular controller that we are using
Right,
right now?
right. Actually, front controller is a servlet, and this is a just a normal Pojo class, which can encapsulate the business logic.
Okay,
So this is just a normal class. Because of annotation, benefit is it is going to map your request. Okay.
okay.
So if you allow to me, this controller, can I put in some good package so that it would be easy to, easy to segregate it or categorize it? Controller.
Yeah.
Why I'm moving it? So that it should look controller, but it must be sub package of com.cubic in which your main file resides. Are you following me? Important.
Mm,
If your main file is in com.cubic, other must be of sub package of it. If you don't follow this convention, your program will not execute. Remember it. We have to do some other setting. Okay. I don't want to do that right now. So which page you want to open, man? Public string. E.
login.
You want to open which page? Open. You can write anything, right? Auth
Yes.
page. Name could method name could be anything. And here you can use get mapping. Get mapping means you want to make get call to open your and what URL pattern you want to give. Any URL pattern you can give. I am giving auth. So which page you want to open, sir? Any guess? I want to open which page?
Login.
Login recipe. Login.
Let's do the
Sign up.
sign up right today. So I want to open the sign up page. Make sense? Sign up.vsp. So here, if you don't mind, can I write the URL pattern sign up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. You can write this name and this name can be matched. This is the URL pattern, right? This is what, man?
URL pattern.
URL pattern. And the this is the view name, right? So when you call this URL pattern, it will return your signup.jsp present in which folder? Views, because it mentioned it, right? When you return some name in the controller, it should be prefixed with this and suffix with this. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Since this is sign up, can I make it sign up controller if you don't mind? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done. If you allow to me, if I type this URL pattern, what happened? Any guess?
Sign up page.
Let me run it. Sir, you know all those things. Yes, you know in GSP solid station, you have to open your main file. Am I right? Right click on it and run as Java
Java
application.
application.
Remember, because it is public static void main. More question you'll ask, more you will learn. Ask more, learn more. This is the slogan. So how you can run it? Port number is
Three
please
three eight four.
9000.
Oh yeah, 90.
And what you can do is here, people, I need your help. Hmm?
Total
Localhost
browser localhost 9000.
9000, and here you have to type
Sign up.
Let's sign up.
That's
C
the
C
C sign up.
C
Please sign up.
sign up. Very smart people. You see? Oh my God! You see my designing? Wow! I'm too fast. Your answer, you are not too fast. You are doing copy paste from the previous session. That's why. Hmm? Now what I need to do? First of all, when you click on the sign up button, right? Oh, Mister, open your JSP file. You know this? These are not. Now, when you click on the sign up button, which action will be done?
Submit.
Reply. When you click on this button, right, it will submit your form with sign up action. Am I right? and
Yeah.
post method. So you have to map it. You want your request should be taken by this controller. What you need to do? You can write a method public string post sign. You can give any name to it, right? And which mapping you have to give here? Any guess?
Post
Mapping,
mapping.
Post
post
map.
mapping. Why? Because and your action name is see here this action name and this action name may be same, right? But it is differing in terms of get mapping and post mapping. Make sense?
Yeah.
After it, where you want to go back, I want to come back to the same page. So what you can return? This one. Am I right? Hey,
Yeah.
when somebody will make the post call, where you want to go? Signup.jsp. Make sense? So this is the JSP name and this is the URL pattern. Yes or no? If you don't want to confuse, you can give the same URL pattern, but this you have to change here as well. Say yes.
Yeah.
Hello. Now you want to read all the username password. Remember in GSP Solid you were reading it. Remember how? In GSP Solid you are writing here HTTP Solid request. You remember or forget it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
request parameter.
Yeah. Then with the help of request.get parameter you can read all the values. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
But here Spring says don't do this boring job. Huh? So what we should do? Like here, if I go and refer your GSP Solid session, allow me. If I refer your GSP Solid session, so we have to write all those things how many times? Sometimes you guys are not replying. You have to write many times, right?
Yeah.
Shall I open this code? If you open your servlet code, you see my speed? Yep. So you have your sign up servlet. So this thing you have to write or not? Hello.
Yeah.
So can I copy all those code? Whole Java code I can copy it. Allow me. I don't know. I have doubt. You know GSP Solid. I told you already. If you know GSP Solid, you can do anything. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
Whole GSP Solid code I'm copying it. Can you see this? Hmm?
Yeah.
Sir. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
Yes.
And here you need this Pojo sign up. Let me copy that Pojo as well. I don't know you guys are with me or not.
Yes, we are.
You say,
Yeah.
oh my God, in GSP Solid whole code you copy as it is here. Oh, nice. Yes, you know.
Yep.
So whatever you are doing with servlet, same thing I am doing over here, right? Package name is this one. Mhm. Got it or confused? See,
Got it.
let me show you. See, hello, connection, right? Util. So my dear friends, what I'm doing here is, see, I'm taking all the values. Say yes,
Yeah.
same way, man. And then I'm saving my data. After that, I want to go to which page? You want to go to the signup.jsp? I'm just asking with you. Yeah,
Yes.
please. And all the data you want to send it, right? If you want to send data in Spring Based project, you have to use model. What? Model. In previous, what you are using there, you can use that, no problem. Sure, let's do that. Oh man, I want to send this data. Say yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This code you know, right? Hmm. Oh, nice. Say yes. My data will be saved into
Database.
database fetching it. Oh my God, solid code. You got it or you got confused? No. When you submit it, it will go to the post mapping and you are taking all the data and making connection and saving it. Say yes, you got this much.
Yeah. We got it.
And here you are going to open which page? Signup.jsp.
JSP.
So here you have to just change the package name, right? This package name is now moved to the controller. Okay, done. Can I run this code?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have
Start running.
to have dependency for the SQL.
No, no, nothing, nothing. Already we have taken care of dependency of GSPs, right? Everything is there.
Ah, okay.
Now let me run it. Oh my God, what fantastic job we are doing, right? But this code I have written in JSP solid style, right? People, here my server is running already. First of all, I have to stop it by clicking on it. Then you can run it. It's saying your server is already running on the port number. Are you with me or not? What I
Yeah.
did, what I did. Here I copied all the code, right? From servlet one. So let me see it's working or not, right? In Spring Boot style. What you need to do? You have to just fill the new data. Say yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to fill new data and image and all, right? And sign up. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Like here, it's not sign up actually. It is, why the sleeping seems like?
C sign up.
It is C sign up. So I think I haven't refreshed the page, right? Refresh it. What I said?
Refresh it.
Refresh it.
Refresh it and see the source code. So in source code, how? Inspect it. Actually, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Action. C sign up. Done. I'll teach you many good aspect of debugging. Hmm? So
Oh,
this is my username, this is my password, this is my email ID, mobile, image, eh, and click on it. You see? Wow. Hello. I came over here, but data is not coming. Let's check it, right? It's saying I don't have driver. You got the reason?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So actually what we need to do, Mr. Friends,
We didn't have any
in this
dependencies.
project, we have to add the jar of MySQL. I don't have, right?
I told you earlier.
So if you allow to me, that jar I can copy from my previous project. Yes, no?
yes, sir.
Already we have done a small project, right? This one. So if you allow to me, even though you don't allow, I can copy it, right? MySQL connector. I'm fast? No. You can
Super
copy this
duper fast.
connector.
MySQL.
MySQL connector. You can copy it and paste it in your project one. Please help me. You know how to add jar? Too fast?
Yes.
No.
No,
Here you can paste it anywhere. My job is done. So why my data was not added in database?
because you did not
Because
have jar.
jar. And once
SQL
jar
jar.
is added, you can see in the Maven dependency, MySQL connector will be there somewhere. If you see, yeah, okay. Can you run it now? Like here, you can go to the television icon and stop everything and then run it. Hey, why my code was not running? I have
Because
seen the error on the console. com dot mysql dot jdbc driver not found. Now I can go back, right? And
yes,
click on it.
sir.
It should work or not. Of course, man. I copied this
Should be
code. Everything
working.
is set up. Again, it's not working. Let me check it. No problem. You see, this error, you know. Hello?
Yes.
So let's this error. This error is because of driver and compatibility with Spring Boot. I'm going to check it reason. Like here, what I will do is I can go and search this error on the internet and I'll get the solution. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Use SSL as a false there.
Yeah, already, yeah. Somebody already guiding me. He said, if you go and check in your previous project, right? So I remember all those things. Uh, DB config, right? I
Yes.
think we have to do this setting, right?
Yes.
So you can go to this project. Like here, if you do the same thing again and again and again, right? So you can learn it. This is the very bad coding I'm doing. Where we have to do this? Here.
Servlet.
Yep. Let's try now. When you do any code change, automatically server is reflecting. You know it. You see my speed? What I need to do? Not this one. Go back, right? Select click on it. It's working. Can you see this? Wow.
Yeah.
You see my speed? You say it's not speed. And again, it's not speed. You have done already, right? So you guys got it or you got confused? Let me know. Whole JSP servlet code I copied it, right? But oh, Mister, this code I'm going to optimize. Just guide me. What I need to do?
You
I
have
need to
to
do with this Spring style. Spring says don't do this boring job. What?
don't do
Spring
this
says
boring job.
don't do this boring job. What I should do to take all the values? Spring is saying if you want to take all the values, use this model, this Pojo username where we have all the attribute. Yes, you know, username,
Yes.
password, email. Spring says use here model attribute. What man?
Model
Model
attribute.
attribute annotation and just write this line. Oh, nice. What is the benefit? Tell me. Benefit
You don't
is
have to.
automatically it will take request.get parameter and username. It will set into the same attribute. Oh, nice. So my sign up object is populated with all the values. So this code is getting commented. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
It has to be the
Now
same
you
name.
same name, right? Yeah. Attribute name and get parameter name should be same. Then it is populated. Now, right? It's saving your time.
Yeah.
Now what you can do here, you can save the values, right? Dot get username. With me?
Yeah.
Dot get password.
That's it.
Dot get. I'll make it more shorter. Okay. See the magic of it. Get mobile. Hmm? Get image. Get
Gender.
gender. Get uh, gender and get address. Make sense? Done. See, you have to send data, right? Oh man. If
Yeah.
you want to send data from controller to JSP, you can use model. What? Model, one
Model.
of the class offered by Spring framework. See? Now, earlier you are doing request dot set attribute. Now you have to do same thing. Model dot add attribute. Got it? So model dot add attribute is similar to request dot set attribute.
Save it.
It's clear you got confused. No? Like here, hmm, a sign up already you took over here, right? Same variable name. So here you can change the variable name. No problem. Hmm? Yep. Got it.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Now, if you understand this much, I can make your code more shorter. Allow me. This is bad programming. Shall I use Spring JDBC feature, JDBC template? If you remember, we did already.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
So if you want to use Spring JDBC, right? So can I use this configuration file as it is? Copy. Oh
Yes.
man,
DB
DB
config.
config. I can copy in the here. Let me copy it again. Oh man, what this does? It helps us
Next is
to
JDBC.
yeah Spring JDBC programming. So I'm just copying into it and just putting into the proper package. Make sense?
Mm.
And here, if you want to use Spring JDBC module, if remember earlier we have copy one jar also. Remember that jar?
JDBC.
Yeah. So you can go and copy this, right? See,
Yes.
in Spring Boot, let me do it. Jar is little bit tricky. Like here, the jar, let me try if I can to spin boot starter GDBC if it works. Okay, let me try. Can you see this? When I add the jar, is downloaded other dependency of GDBC or not? I'm just checking it. Can you see this? It came, right? By adding it. Reply. After it, you're not replying.
The Spring Boot chooses the
Yeah,
version of it.
what is Yeah. That's beauty of it, right? Spring Boot, select the version of it. Got it? And here for component scan, oh man, no need to write it. Spring Boot automatically does. You have to just use the configuration. Make sense? Anybody have any question, query? No? Hello? What changes I have done for Spring JDBC? I have just added the Spring Boot Starter JDBC. Clear?
Yeah.
It's saying some error. Let me fix it. Okay, it is previous error or just now. Let me run it again. Now it's fine, right? Hello guys, what I did? People, do you know DB config?
Yeah.
So you have to just put it, Spring Boot automatically will pick it. Okay, nice. Now what you need to do? If you want to fire the query, come with me. So here, what I can auto add, anybody remember or you forget it? I can auto add what?
JDBC template.
DBC template.
Nice. JDBC template. This thing I have taught you already in the previous session. Sorry. JDBC template. Can you help me?
JDBC
Please.
template.
JDBC template, right?
Auto
And
add.
auto add, right? You are saying, hey, Spring container, pull this bean to me. After that, you want to see the magic of it? Yeah.
Yes.
JDBC's template says don't write all those things. You just write the query, okay? Like you.
Yes.
Make sense? And here we have update method. Which method?
Update.
Update method. In this update method, you have to pass only two parameter. What?
Two
First parameter
parameters.
will be the
SQL
query,
and
this query. And second parameter, you have to just put the data in the form of array, right?
yes.
So you just make a
Fine.
object array and put your all the data in the sequence, right? Nice. First, tell me.
Second.
Second, see the power of it, man. You should salute Spring Framework because it is really making your job
Easy.
super duper easy. Hmm? Will make this code slowly more compact so that you can understand the power of Spring JDBC framework, right? I am just putting all the parameter in the same order. Done?
Done.
If allowed to me, we don't need this code, right? This is
Yes.
gone, right? And
No,
no need to write
SQL we
try
need
catch.
it.
This is gone. I'm just deleting everything, okay?
SQL we need it. Query.
No, this is another query, okay? We need that, but we don't need this one. Make sense? This is used to fetch the data, right?
Yes.
Oh, I
We
did an
need the
insert query as well.
insert query.
Oh my God, kill me. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this, right? Hello, we don't need this. Clear?
Yes.
This we need because we have to fetch the data as well, right?
Yes.
So for fetching the data, what do you need to do? Hmm? We have to write the equivalent this code,
JDBC
right?
template
You can use JDBC template, see the power of it. Then
dot
there is a method here. Method name is
query.
query. Here in this query method, you
SQL.
have to just pass the SQL, right? Whatever data is coming in the result set, you are setting like this. So
Yes.
we have equivalent syntax over here. You have to create an object of bean property row mapper. What?
Row mapper.
Bean property row mapper. This is the Spring provided class bean property row mapper. What it does? See, it is saying go and access the result set. Can you see this? Iterate the result set and fetch all its values, right? And set into which object type? This object type. Are you following me? Oh man, what it is doing? It is going row
Looping.
by row, right? It is just fetching all the row record one by one, right? In while loop. And one row data it is pushing one object of sign up, right? Eventually it is returning you the list. Oh my God. Super duper easy in one line. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like what it is doing, man? First of
It
all,
is.
again I'm telling you, this query is just returning the result set, right? And
Yeah.
result set in while loop, it is fetching one row at a time, right? The way it is doing. Same job bin property row mapper doing internally for sign up object and eventually return the list. So no need to do this boring job. Are you following me?
Yes.
So see your code really become compact or not? See? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Huh? Got it? Oh,
Yes.
nice. Huh? No? Hello?
Yeah. No.
And one more last thing I'm going to do for today is allow me to actually this logic I can move into a class. Allow me. So in this, I'm going to make another class. Class name is help me. Class name I can make sign up. Oh,
Interface.
sign up DAO. Database access logic, right? Are you with me? And since I'm writing here, a code, so I'm implementation, DAO implementation, right? Why I'm doing? I can make a bean of it. What bean, man?
Race controller.
Repository. Repository means you can make a bean of it. Why I'm doing it? Because this code I want to move to other class.
New.
So can I put in different package if you don't mind? Hello.
Yes.
If you think it is complex, right? I can do it tomorrow. I'm not in hurry. Tell me.
Again,
Just
we
once.
can stop it. Yeah, right here.
No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. Let's do that.
Hmm.
Okay. I'll do it tomorrow. Make sense?
Yeah.
So today part, how I achieved it. Let me revise it. Okay.
Okay.
Recording is there, right? So I just started with POM. In POM, I just added what? This
Dependency.
dependency
Nancy.
and MySQL one, right? Got it?
Yeah.
And after that, we have used this file. This file is creating a data source connection, bean, right? And
Right.
then it is creating a JDBC template that we have learned in previous session. Configuration means this is acting as a Java-based configuration, right? So
XML.
who is reading this file? Spring Boot
Spring
starter
Boot.
is reading it because it is present in the sub package com.cubic and this is also in com.cubic. Okay.
Okay.
If you want, you can put in different package as well, but it should be the sub package of it. Clear? Done. After that, JDBC template I'm auto wiring over here, right? And this is the SQL query and JDBC template dot update. You have to put the query and here you have to send the data in the form of array of object. You know it, right? Done. Got it. Then how select query is working, man? Oh man, when you fire the select query, multiple row will come. Hello. Bin property row mapper will go row by row. One row data, it will add into one sign up Java object. Are you following me? One row will
Yes.
go, one sign up. But this column name and this column attribute name must be matched. SID username, right? Remember
Yes.
what
Yeah.
I said? What I said? It's logical, man. What should be matched? Username, password, email, right? Hello, SID we have? Yeah. See?
Yeah.
So whatever attribute is matching, everything will go into one object, right? Suppose you have 20 objects because of select 20 rows. One row will go into one sign up, right? Second row, second sign up.
Second
Third
sign.
row, third.
Third sign.
Eventually everything will be collected into the list and returned to you. Done. One line. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Hello. If you want to make it more simple or more compact, you can do like this also. I don't know. You can digest it or not. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Hello. That query you can pass as a parameter to it. See, it just becomes how many line?
5 line. 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. This query you can also put over here. It is up to you, man, in one line, right? But I don't want to do it. Okay. Done. This becomes simple or not? See, in GSP solid programming, you are writing a lot of code or not? Tell me now you are not doing anything. Simple. Hmm? So you got the benefit of Spring Boot over plain JDBC programming.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, in this we haven't done much new. We have just done this method. Other thing was old thing. Remember, nobody can say that this was new. No, no, no.
Yeah.
Okay. Only the new thing we have learned is how to add this Spring Boot starter dependency. In Spring Boot, everything start with Spring Boot starter. Remember it. See? Hmm? Yep. Done. I hope you understand this much. We will make this code more compact. Oh my God, you are not surprised? Yep. So this session is connected with JSP servlet session or not? That's my question to you.
Yes.
Yes. So please, I don't want you should do anything else. Go and do this much and come back. So daily basis, just do it. Otherwise, take my help and do it. So I think it is enough for today. Thank you so much. So in next session, we'll go with next topic on top of this. Thank you.